Yes, we are discussing about money making options. In that, one of the important thing is religious items. That means India is a country of multiple religions and languages. There are various customs and traditions that people follow. The requirements of religious items for engaging in various customs are different. Religious items such as diya, dhoop, murti, and shankara are always in demand. Therefore, this business is favorable in areas where there is a religious organization nearby. Religious items means photos of the deities and gods, and as well as copper kamandalam, that is called kamandalam, copper box, and all these are coming to the religious things, and all these are will come under religious things. So all these religious items will be, that is Rudraksha Mala, Muchara Mala, and all Navaratna items. All these will come under the religious items. Especially Navaratnas, everyone will use to solace the bad effects of the planets, and all these by astrology also they will be those also will come in this part. So religious items will be available. One shop is there, means it is comfortable them, and they can purchase very well their items and needs. So it is also a profitable small scale business. Wishing you all the best.